no get money for these children now. Maybe just arrange this matter now. Who they here? Hey! Customer, go come tell us something, I beg.
Hey, Anna, then.
Hey, water, go on.
Go water. Yes,
I beg.
water.
Yeah, bring water.
Okay, sir.
One, no.
God have mercy upon us.
One day, okay.
One day, okay.
Okay. See here.
This water no cold now. Waiting. Oga find cold water. Cold water.
No, let no day.
Oga light, no light that they see here. Oga bring water, bring cold one, I beg.
Okay.
If you know the bring mineral, we don't wait cold though. If you know get like this, why go use your?
You dey use your function
No
to
get
play.
cold water.
Okay, see. This thing I get to. See here.
No get me.
That's how I did.
I know.
I think it's like no day.
Come son dey much, I beg. Change this thing. Change jam, Oga. Him dey look me.
Sure.
No get mineral. Wetin you come? I wonder. Oga, do fast now. What una dey discuss for there?
Okay, see this one.
But this one na 7-Up. I not dey. This one no dey good for my body. Abeg, change am. In fact, let's say na.
Maybe collect buns. I think na chingom.
No, make collect chingom. Chingom go. You want make we tear am into two?
What be that?
Nah, chingom.
Maybe just collect chingom.
As you no get cold drink now.
What do you want to come by?
You know get cold drink now. Wetin you want make?
7-Up no good for my body. Make we just collect one.
Okay.
We go tear am back.
We go tear am into two. Chingom na how much?
For everything. 25,000.
Everything. No be chingom.
Yes, now.
Everything.
But and this thing when you collect now.
Hey.
This thing now.
Mama, mother.
No, but which kind of embarrassment?
Mama.
Oga no be like that. They do something. No.
Na for me and you collect am.
You see, I'm not
No be for here that I collect all these things.
That kind of.
No worry.
No be for
You
here.
know now for this area.
Maybe they go. Leave
You
this
don't know now. Husband and wife. The same people. Criminals. And now I want to thief. What I know what pay for. Longer throat. See as them dey. Now turn up go na chicken na chacho.
70 years old man.
Number, how are you? Yes, very good. Do you know you can make up to 2.7 billion in just 2 days? All you need to do is to bring one person that will bring another person that will bring another person. That is it. In just 2 days, you are making up to 2.7 billion. A billionaire in just 2 days. All you need to do is to bring somebody or bring somebody or bring somebody. Just 3 people. This is something you know that you have to do in just 2.7 billion. You will make that money. You will not just make money. You will...
Investor.
Yes.
What's the problem?
Thank you for seeing me.
Why are you talking to an empty vessel?
What are you trying to say? I was just taking here. I was going to explain to my brother here that he can make up to 2.7 billion in just all you need to do, sir. All you need to do. Bring someone or bring somebody or bring somebody. That's it.
I will
show you the evidences I have.
My brother, calm down. This is what I brought to eat. So that I can see you need it more than I do. Just manage this, please.
Oh, this is okay.
Manage
but
this.
you know, I was trying to tell you.
Just sit down.
Yeah.
Sit down.
You're a good man. I know you're a good man.
When in water big.
Yes.
In water.
Sorry, woman. You have done a good work.
Yeah, so you are saying
I was just explaining to this.
The blood of Jesus.
This is what I've been telling you. I've been here like for 3 minutes talking to an empty vessel.
No.
A burial poster for like 3 minutes now.
No, you can't. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I saw a young.
Omo, the economy is really affecting you badly. Take that, just know the mandate you are standing on. Mr. Investor. See you next time.